Everyone. Today we are going to see the benefits of reading. Throughout history, from Marcus Aurelius to Bill Gates, all the successful people have one thing in common. They are all readers. Jim Rohn, motivational speaker, said, on average, a house that costs $200,000 or more has a library in it. Do you think it's coincidence? There are few benefits of reading books. By reading books, you can have mentors who aren't alive. For example, Napoleon Hill has passed away, but he's still a mentor to millions of people through his teachings, which are found in his books. It feeds your mind. Obviously, reading books provides you with a new knowledge. Whenever you read something, you learn new information that you otherwise would not have known. It can be a fact about history or a theory you did not know existed. It keeps your brain in shape. Reading also keeps your mind in good condition. Similarly to solving puzzles, reading books allows your mind to practice its processing skills. Going without books for too long will turn your mind to mush. I'm not kidding. Why do you think they call television the boob tube? It develops your critical thinking skills. One of the primary benefits of reading books is its ability to develop your critical thinking skills. Reading mystery novels, for example, sharpens your mind whenever you're faced with similar problem. In real life, your mind is now able to put its mystery solving prowess to a test. It makes you more articulate. There's nothing quite like reading books to help you become a better conversationalist. Seeing how words are used and how sentences are structured with your own eyes help to commit the information to memory better than by listening to a teacher. Discuss the points in class. Reading serves to build great vocabularies. It goes without saying that the only effective way to building your vocabulary is by simply reading and amassing as much knowledge as possible. Building vocabularies can easily be achieved if people took to the culture of reading. You get to understand how various vocabularies can be used in a sentence, and by so doing amass as much knowledge as possible. It's accessible. One of the great benefits of reading books is that the information in it can be accessed over and over again. When you are following a recipe, for example, reading a cookbook allows you the luxury of reviewing the procedure and the ingredients whenever you need to. These are just some of the wonderful benefits of reading books.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.